Alright. So I don't know where this storm drain goes, but we're going to fucking follow it. Hopefully it doesn't get any smaller. I got the dog in tow. Oh. Well, there we are. We're across the train tracks. People are just gonna stare at me looking like I'm fucking crazy, but you can't get any crazier than me. I don't know if the yard buzzards can verify, but I am definitely fucking sore like a motherfucker. Carrying my bag all the time. Yeah. Alright. So it looks like pitch black coming from that direction, but there's light always at the end of the tunnel. Yeah, that's a good thing about some tunnels. There's always light. We could have slept in here last night. It's nice, cool environment. Let me turn it off. Nobody would. Ouch! That didn't tickle. Oh, I forgot. There's like 2 inches. 2 inches that grew on me. Oh, God. Alright. People are just gonna steadily look at me fucking crazy, but fuck it. Can't get any crazier than this. Oh, my God. Alright. So, what I'm gonna do, since I found a way, and it looks to be I got a knot in my head, that fucking tickles. Alright. These fucking trees, though. They like to fall in random spots. Alright. We were just on the other side of that. And I think this is the only thing that's staying for a while. But yeah. Anyway. Gotta go. See you till next time.